What's the event called? We're at the car event, right? I can't remember what the event's called. Okay. And I've been roped in to go clean some cars. Funny enough, we've got a Porsche. Would you have guessed it? To be fair, we wanted that Ferrari, but it didn't quite happen, did it? No. But we've got a Porsche, a very nice Porsche. She's a beater. No customer there for coating, but you know. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. That's bit not beating. Even get behind the spokes. Not just the faces. We want to do the faces, do we, Elliot? You're right amongst it, mate. Soft, feather-tipped detail brush. So you don't want to scratchy these very, very nice glossy black wheels. Bring the brushes together into the wheel nuts. Gonna let that sit while I work on the other wheel. This is all people care about, me chemistry with blue dye. It's not blue dye, it's just blue snow foam. Check this out. Not very blue, is it? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. So just the front's full of bug splatter. Just like we're taking tar off your car, it's working with your fingers. We all have a bit of fingering in our paintwork, don't we? Is there any way I can see what? Here we go, should I show you what I mean? So see that bit of bird doo-doo there? You see that there? Bit of bird doo-doo. A little bit of citrus, all products, whatever you like using. Had a bit of time so it's melting away already. And all I'm gonna do, finger, be so gentle, and that's come away. I'm expert at bug, poo, dirt, grime, removal. You name it, brake dust, I'm your man.